Assalamu alaikum. From today's lesson, we are going to follow a new pattern in learning Arabic grammar, and that is one day we will be learning Nahv, and the next day or in the next lesson we will be learning as-sarf. Each lesson that we are going to teach from today onwards, you can identify by looking at the top left corner of our board whether the lesson is about Nahv or the lesson is about as-sarf. So let's begin today's lesson. Today's lesson, as you know, that it's about Nahv. So in Nahv we have something called Lafz. Lafzun. Now anything which humans utter is a lafz. In Arabic grammar, lafz is of two different types. Number one, Mawzoo, and number two, Muhmal. Now as we explained that anything which humans utter is lafz. Now if that lafz which somebody is speaking, if it is making a sense, if it is a meaningful word, if it is giving a meaning, then we will say that it is a Mawzoo lafz. So Mawzoo will be meaningful. Meaningful word. And then if that word does not have any meaning, it's just a random word, it has no meaning, then we can say that it is Muhmal, and that will be meaningless. For the Muhmal, we don't have any types or any kinds of it. For Mawzoo, we have, for the meaningful word, we have two types of it. Type number one is called Mufrad. A Mufrad is any single word which gives a meaning, like bread, like lights, like sky, earth, anything. Any single word which gives a meaning. So we can say that Mufrad is single. There is another name of it which is Kalima. So Kalima and Mufrad is the same thing. It is the same name for a single word. Then the type number two for Mawzoo, for meaningful lafz, is Murakkab. Murakkab is a group of two Kalima or two Mufrad words. So Murakkab is a group of two Kalima. So we can say Kalima plus Kalima is equal to Murakkab. Fine. And then in English, for this we call compound. So anything which human beings speak or utter is lafz. Lafz has two types. Mawzoo, which is meaningful words, and then Muhmal, if the word is meaningless, it has no meaning. Then the meaningful or the Mawzoo has two types, Mufrad or Kalima, and type number two is Murakkab. Then Mufrad has three different types, Ism, Fi'l and Harf. In today's lesson we are not going to talk about what these three things mean. And Murakkab has two types also, Murakkab Mufid and Murakkab Ghair Mufid. Also we are not going to talk about Murakkab Mufid and Murakkab Ghair Mufid in today's lesson. This will be coming in the next coming lessons. Hope you understand today's lesson. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, you can type them below, and I will try my best to reply them as soon as possible. Assalamu alaikum.